So I got a request to show somebody how to solder a six pin pot. So basically, I'm going to put a little flux here, like that, right? And the first thing you need to do is have a very clean solder tip. As you can see there, it's nice and shiny. See how nice and shiny that is? That's the way you want your solder tip. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it one last time. I'm going to put just a little bit of tin on the edge, just a little bit. We don't need that much, just to have a little flow. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the solder on this side and then run the iron on this side and the solder on this side. It's late tonight, guys. So the soldering gun and the solder. So this is the way I do it. And obviously now this guy's bothering me here, and I know it's gonna like snap up and hit me. There we go. All right, so this is basically what I do. I start here. Actually, let me see how I'm gonna do this, because I'm doing it with the other hand right here. So I wet that one, and I just go down the line like that. That one needs a little bit, and that's it. That's how you solder a 6-pin plug. Now obviously I'm going to double check it, make sure that there's no jumps, and there is no jumps. That last one needs a little bit of solder. I guess my tip ran out. There we go. So I'll just run it again, and that's good. So now the only thing I do is I grab a little bit of IPA. Let me make sure I'm in focus here. So IPA. One more time. And there's the connection. No bridges. Let's see if I can focus and see how nice and clean that is. That's how you solder a 6-pin pot. Nice and clean, and that's what the pot looks like on that side. Right there. I'll leave you with that so you can check it out.